Today we are going to learn how to change the MAC address of your device or interface. We are demonstrating it on Linux machine. It's Kali Linux in my case. First go to your terminal and write ifconfig, then hit enter. You will see your internet interfaces in your terminal. You can see ETH0 on the top, which is my Ethernet connection. And below it, you will find WLAN0, which is my Wi-Fi adapter. I'm gonna change the MAC for this interface. The current MAC address ends with 4D00. To change it we first need to turn off my WLAN interface. For that enter ifconfig, interface name which is WLAN0 and then down. Hit enter. Now as the LAN is down, we can change the MAC. Let's give another command, write ifconfig WLAN0 then HW for hardware, and Ether for Ethernet and then put any MAC address starts with 00. Done. Now turn on your interface by entering ifconfig WLAN0 up. You can check the MAC by ifconfig command. See our MAC has been changed. Enjoy.